Yes, Your Worship, meeting was held several weeks ago with the annual meeting and then a follow-up regular meeting. I guess I'm pleased to report that the recommendations that the CAOs have suggested, which included an audit committee comprised of CAOs, and I think there'll be a representative perhaps from the Industrial Commission. That kind of thing was discussed and approved by the Industrial Commission, subject to just a minor thing in terms of the auditor, who the auditor was going to be. I think it was recommended that Grant Thornton be appointed as the auditor when the report was made to the councils by the CAOs. But I guess the Industrial Commission felt that Wayland's Wait, who had been the auditor, had to meet certain professional standards. They had done a good job in terms of doing the audit, and it was felt, well, why change auditors? Because really an auditor can't really comment just because the town shares the same auditor as the Industrial Commission's auditor and the town's auditor can't, if it's the same person, can't get together and share. Forth, you get it from the auditor, and the auditor signs off on it. And so that was one issue, and the other was it was suggested that the bylaws. There was some concern, I think, that grasping for information, if I can put it that way, from a lot of the new councillors on the various councils that sent representatives to the Industrial Commission. So it was agreed by the Commission that in an attempt to perhaps be more transparent, or to make sure that the councillors get the information, that the bylaw be amended to allow for a further appointment to the Industrial Commission from each council, so that it could be another councillor sitting on each of the from each of the councils on the Industrial Commission. So that's in the process, and that hasn't occurred yet, but it was supported unanimously by the members of the Industrial Commission that be encouraged to happen. So I think by having another elected official sitting on the Industrial Commission, by having the audit committee and the CAOs there, some of the concerns that had been expressed not only by members of this council but other councils, those answers will be